Hey guys, it's IDW, and we're just going to be continuing along really quickly the next little bit of my memory series, and we're going to be covering, what's it called, stacks right here. I'm not actually going to be building a stack because I don't know any really good designs, but yeah. So basically a stack is something that tries to avoid the whole idea of having different memory addresses. I don't think I've really gone into those in depth, but it's sort of like you have a whole bunch of different lines where you can store memory on. So like this would be an address right here for this ROM. So yeah, that's basically what addresses is. But no, there's no addresses with a stack. A stack is just, you take a piece of data, you send it into the stack, and you push it on top of the stack, and then you pop it back off to get your data back in the same order that you sent it in. So sorry if that's a bit confusing, but I'm just going to use the example of having a stack of papers on like a desk in an office. Let's say that I wanted to take a paper that I've just created and I want to put it on top of the stack. And I'll just put it on top of the stack, and I can keep stacking up papers on top of the stack, and for eternity and eternity and eternity. Not technically eternity. There's a certain height that you do have to do, since otherwise it's just impossible to not have a limit. And then when I need to take something off of the stack, then I would just take the top value. So it's sort of like we're putting it onto the top, and then we're taking it off of the top. So yeah, there's actually two sort of types of this, where you don't actually have to write to a certain address. You can just say, write this value into the stack. One of them is actually called a stack. The other one, I forget exactly what it's called, but unlike a stack, which is first in, last out, this other one, which I'm forgetting the name of, is first in, first out. So if I was to save a value, so if I was to like put 5 values onto the stack, then I would read the first value out first, the second value out second, and the third value out third, etc. With a stack, you would put the 5 you would send your 5 inputs in, and then you would have your 5th data be the first thing that you take out, your 4th data be the 4th thing that you take, sorry, your 5th bit data would be the first thing you take out, 4th thing would be the second thing you take out, 3rd thing would be the 3rd thing that you took out, 2nd thing would be the 4th thing that you took out, and 1st thing would be the 5th thing that you took out. So, yeah, and at any point you can actually add more of them onto it. So, yeah, I thought I might as well discuss these guys. I don't actually have any really good designs for this that I know off the top of my head. Benny's Cube does have one sort of good stack design. I'm gonna put a link to his video in the description. But yeah, that's basically all you need to know about stacks. In the next video, we are going to be moving on to actually the last video in the series, where I'm going to be showing off a bit of stuff that I've done with to make some pretty good memory designs. So yeah, see you guys then. We're going to be discussing a different way to do, as I said, the D flip-flop or gated D latch. That is the thing right here minus the reading thing. And we're going to be discussing dual read memory. So yeah, and then in the video after that, I'm going to show off the design that I have. So see you guys then. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned. Stacks aren't that useful in Minecraft, actually. I just thought I might as well explain what they are, because they do actually have some uses. So yeah, see you guys next time.